Als Computer Center haben wir einen Anwendungsfall entwickelt, der Sprache in Text umwandeln kann.
As a computer center, we have developed an application site that can convert speech into text.
أو انقص منه قليلا أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن.
I'm looking to speak with the homeowner. Is that you?
Yes.
Perfect. The reason for the call is that the utility company...
Are you calling about a concern with your bill?
Well, yeah, I just got my bill and it's massive. I really don't understand what happened.
I see. So it looks like we sent you a renewal notice back in February as your contract was expiring in April. And without receiving a renewal...
Mit Riva sind wir nicht mehr an eine einzige Stimme gebunden, sondern können verschiedene benutzen und diese auch anpassen.
With Riva, we are no longer bound to a single voice, but can use different ones and adapt them.
All right, it is sunny out there. Would you like to add some drinks? I recommend our lemonade.
Sure. I'll have a cola.
I'm really glad to hear that. So please tell me, how may I assist you today?
I would like to know if there are any stores near me.
Sure. Can you help me with the city or area of your interest? I can even answer challenging questions. Ask me anything.
Hey Spot, go fetch me a fritter and a coffee.
Fetching one fritter and one coffee.
Hello, Spot.
One fritter and one coffee, please.
You got it.
Here is your delivery.
Break down your application communication barriers with NVIDIA Riva. Try it on NVIDIA Launchpad.